Hello, good morning ma'am. I'm Charles Cano and I'm here for a job interview. I'm Charles Cano, 21 years old from Pansamalok, Sundapael, Bulacan, and I'm graduating in Baliwag Polytechnic College year 2027 in the degree of Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. My strength is being an active, hardworking, creative, and willing. My weakness is when I do something wrong or mistake that I don't want to happen. Because I know that I am perfect for that position. My ability and skills will be my greatest power to take that opportunity. You hired me for that position because I'm confidently working under the pressure with the quality, and I'm also the person who believes that the time is gold. So I assure that my working time will be a benefits and worth it, because I don't trash my time in a not necessary thing. My goal is to do my job on time to avoid interruption, and my motivation is my family because I'm working from them and I'm doing it well to be successful. I have skill, and that is a lovable. You need to love what is you're doing, and that's your job. Loving and making this important is the best way to have a plan that would be benefits the great result. I see myself as a carabao that you need to hard work to have a delicious meal. In short, I'm like a carabao that having a patient in the heavy thing in my back, because we know that there's have a better result on that sacrifice. Thank you, ma'am, and I don't want to waste this opportunity and your trust to me.